Skyla, nobody goes and just plays golf at a bachelor party. In Roland's case, they talked about going to some strip clubs, but they didn't go. Every guy talks about it. Some do, some don't go. I personally am not a fan of them anymore.
Anymore.
Well, when I was younger, I was.
Would you rather do like research on MicroStrategies at 1 a.m. or go to Hustler?
Hey, if I have to choose from the strip club or CNBC, I'm watching CNBC.
Wow,
Sorry,
that's crazy.
I am. I got a beautiful wife. I don't need to go to a strip club.
So
I'm
risky
fine.
bits or risky...
Hey, and then you're late. How we doing? We're back. Yeah.
Oh,
say
can
that.
you say that word? You can't, can you?
I can't say that.
He wanted to change it to risky whatever.
I couldn't say
Use your own imagination.
Yeah. Hey, I keep it clean, man. I don't have many violations.